Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are discussion about in sale anatomy payments. I will provide your information about it. So let's go to our main screen here and there. I will tell you in the related part of video. Let's go to start. Ways to the sale your anatomy in the cash. Anatomy is the insurance contract you can use the create in the income stream. You can purchase an anatomy to draw payments against in the realment is the supplement to the tax advantage on the taxable saving accounts. But when if you want to sell your anatomy and get immediate cash here while selling your the anatomy is something you is the might consider working with the considered advisor to your advisor to your consider how to increase your cash in the flow in the requirement. Why sell your anatomy? Selling your anatomy, let's go to the trade futures payment and the immediate cash. There are several reasons for selling your anatomy. There here there are some to the most common invitation is the thing sharnex and the purchasing power of your the anatomy payments. You needed the money to pay to the education cost your to your for yourself your or your child. Selling will allow you to pay of a highest interest debit and the unacceptable life changing such as discovered or the death of a spouse means you have immediate need. You are buying a home offer or reverting the one you avoid. One of your children is getting married or the buying a home and you want to help with the cost. You needed money and money for business growth. You are the covering your retirement travel plans with the cash concession. You immediately of the anatomy and you needed to money and the cover braille of the other final expansion and you are recovering communication medical billing from a seriously alienous injuries. You lost your job and cannot find the new one. You are the rather invest and money directly in the stock of the market. Stock of market you many have the entirely different reason of the waiting to sell your anatomy, but the end result in the same trading anatomy payments for the lump sum of the cash. That's the biggest advantage of the selling anatomy. You can get money without having to take out of the 401k loan. Then your area and the liquidating your saving account. The downside is that you are the reduce sum of all of your future income from the anatomy depending on how you choose selling. How selling your anatomy and the cash work is. Yeah, there are always you can sell your anatomy partial sale in its entire lump sum sales. There are how and many compared partial anatomy sale. The sale you are the payments from anatomy of a set period of time. For example, so you are the anatomy that covers you are life for and you are 40 years old. You can sell payments for 5 years when that 5 year period and sale continue the receiving periods payments from the anatomy. The upside of this option is that you can are spreading your the anatomy and the payments permanently inside. You are the putting them on holding temporarily in exchange for immediately cash. You can meet your the current financial needs and that will get money from the anatomy once you are the ready for the retire. Lump sum sale. A lump sum sale is similar to a particle sale in the same when you can its cash is the sell receive payment from the anatomy of the future and the date. However, inside you are the selling or the anatomy payment for the set period of the time. You are selling some lamp of the anatomy payout or the intermediate receiving, so it's can you needed of 15,000 is a start of business. Example, you are called platform of a lamp sum sale of that anatomy of the benefits. The option give us the more control over the how much cash on you receive and the what's proud from the anatomy. With the pretel sale with the payout anatomy can be less effect except depending on the number of the payments you forgo a lump sum sale against for extra exact dollar amount that can you want to the receive in the cash. Anatomy sale the selling and the elastic selling and anatomy in its the entire means you can give you for remaining interest in the contract conceptually you tell you all in the money that can less to be the paid from the contract on one go with one future payments in this can be the assessed way to the sale your the anatomy because there are no negotiations lump sum anatomy at amounts of a material partial payment term. Choosing the right option depends on your the current and the future cash needs. You have money not money saved for the retirement of the example. For example, the intrinsic sale could be the for fewer other financial goals, but it's go to let's start on the saving. Then a lump sum or the partial sale could maintain your anatomy income stream once you are retire. For to sell your anatomy, selling anatomy is a legal process before. Therefore, there are the certain steps you are needed to the take do it the currently. Firstly, you might want to talk to your the financial advisor about whether selling an anatomy is the right move and which sale option is the best. Secondly, you are needed to the research of the companies that you are the anatomy and the cash. There are the many number of the companies as the purchasing anatomy as the structure statement. What went to the consider and the when comparing then is the how much value and the will giving you the anatomy. Typically, you are the receive between the 60% and the 80% of the what he anatomy is the worth in the cash. I'll I'll thought some companies you money offer is a more less take or some time of the shop around insurance of that you get the best deal possible requireable companies and they should be able to the give you the quotes and the estimate free of charge. Once you get quotes you can sell your anatomy to the statement companies. At this point you all have to the complete paperwork and the letter to the sale and the should the court date of a hearing. Only for a judge can the approve the sale of an anatomy. You can use the attorney provided by the settlement company choose you over to the request you. Assuming the hearing goes smoothly and the processing and with you receiving payments can you then use the cash as you as yeah cash see it. Anatomy sale cave there are the couple of the evaluation of the keep if the mind. Firstly you can face the tax consider for selling your anatomy. It is a structure statement is the not taxable when you are saving it. It is a generally retained tax and advertised status when you sell, but is the anatomy payments you are the subject to the ordinary income tax. You receive them ISWA should be then case and with a granted income anatomy for return then you do not over the much income tax on the cash as you would and the regular distributions. uh, no with this we end our video and see you in more next videos. Okay, and thank you very much.